All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming live from our Joburg office. Good morning and welcome back to the opening bell with myself, Tshepo and Ashley. And this is brought to you by TD Markets and TD Markets Academy every Mondays to Fridays at 9, streaming live on YouTube. I hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are having a great morning so far. It is a Thursday today. The week is just we're almost there. We're almost there, right? So this is a Wednesday. We're gonna continue with our market commentary for this morning, and I hope you guys are ready. All right. So this morning we are still looking at the stocks. All right. On Monday we spoke about two European stocks and one US stock, being BMW stock, the Volkswagen stock, and the LVMH stock. All right, so we're gonna do updates and see how they have moved and look for potential future movements. All right, that one can capitalize on. The first one will be BMW, the BMW stock, right? So this one, it's still the same since the last time we spoke. However, yesterday's candle, all right, the market just opened now. This is the candle that just opened now, right? So our stocks open at 9 a.m. South African time, right? That's when the markets open, right? In our for the stocks. So the current candle, this is the one that opened just now at 9 a.m. However, yesterday the market rallied plus 2% yesterday. All right, obviously breaking above the previous highs. So at the moment we are trading above this area. All right, we're trading above this area. So that shows that momentum is still bullish, right? If you go to the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, you can see that we have formed so far we have formed a higher low so far on this candle, right? Followed by the previous higher low. So this price action basically remains bullish, all right? How we are still looking for a possible retest, right? We're still looking for a possible retest. If price retests, then we know that there will be a good opportunity. However, the market can continue to rally towards the upside from where it is, right? Whatever the case is, if you look at this from the weekly time frame, we're anticipating just the trend to continue trading higher. All right, continue, whether it's going to come back for the retest before that or not. We're anticipating the trend to continue trading higher. So yeah, so there is an update on the BMW stock, the Volkswagen stock. All right, the Volkswagen stock. This is how it's looking. Let me go to the line chart. The line chart on the weekly, this is how it's looking, right? It's a bit slow at the moment. However, yesterday's trading was very, very bullish, right? Looking at this candlestick, it was very bullish, breaking above the previous support. All right. So what we're seeing right now is price, yeah, a bit of a slow momentum at the moment, a bit of a slow momentum. However, according to the overall price action we have, if price breaks towards the upside, then we're anticipating momentum to continue. All right. Okay, just give me 1 second, guys. All right. So let's see. Is the sound still low? Is the sound still low? All right. So yeah, so with the Volkswagen stock, remember the outlook was either we're gonna get a break towards the downside or a break towards the upside. So now um, it seems like price is breaking towards the upside. So we're anticipating, should you get the break and the retest of this, we're anticipating price to continue trading higher. All right. At the moment, it is trying to break, but when we're just waiting for a proper impulse to push towards the upside. So that is the Volkswagen stock, right? The BMW stock, more upside is expected. The Volkswagen stock, more upside is expected. All right. And then we've got the LVMH, which pushed, right? When we spoke about this, the market was coming back for the retest. So this was your basic break and retest, right? Setup. We got the retest, and then price just aggressively pushed 4% towards the upside. All right. It even went to the target. The target that we had was right here. This was the target that we had, right? Around $486. Now, looking ahead, what can we expect from this, right? We are expecting the same. We're expecting the momentum to continue pushing higher. Overall, we're anticipating price to break this high, right? To just break this high overall, but we're going to take it price action by price action, all right? Let the market confirm to us, right? We do forecasts, but overall we let the market confirm for us, right? Confirm for us. So we're going to take it pricing by price action, but we're anticipating price to at least minimum head back to this high, head back to this top, and then from there we'll come back and just analyze and see what price is trying to do. All right, that's basically LVMH. All right, so this one is easily becoming one of the biggest gainers this week, which is good to see. But yeah, more momentum towards the upside. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is how the morning is looking. And a quick update on the stocks, the LVMH, BMW, and the Volkswagen stock. All right. So, hope you guys saw this LVMH. You capitalized on that. It was a clean one. And so, yeah, we're going to look at more and more in the upcoming episodes. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is where we're going to end it. Catch us back again tomorrow with Ash. And yeah, we'll take it from there. All right. Have a good one, guys. Enjoy and cheers.